house or a vehicle? Okay, so pretty much everybody. I kind of figured that was going to be the case. So the senior vice president of Compass Real Estate, Koki Adasi, once said, "The house you looked at today and wanted to think about until tomorrow may be the same house someone looked at yesterday and will buy today." So I've taken several finance classes here at Central Penn College, and I've also taken the personal financial management course here. I've also gone through a great portion of the home buying process, but up until then, I really had no idea how the process worked, and I think that's a sentiment that many people could share. So today I want to discuss some of the benefits that would come from adding a new course called Managing Life-Changing Purchases. I want to also explain why this course is valuable to the entire student body at Central Penn College, and also how it relates to the Central Penn College mission statement. So high dollar purchases can have a very serious and major impact on your life. Large, poorly made purchases can lead to excessive debt and an inability to get yourself out of it. These poor decisions can also prevent you from reaching your full potential. Poor financial decisions can also lead to making more poor decisions, and that can get you into a really deep hole that's very hard to get out of. So there are several benefits that this course has to offer. For one, it can improve student financial responsibility by teaching the students what can happen if they make faulty decisions as far as large expensive purchases go. This course will also teach students how to make better purchase decisions, large purchase decisions. Furthermore, the Managing Life-Changing Purchases course can give students a higher potential to be promoted in their careers. So why is this new course valuable to the entire Central Penn College student body? Well, for one, all students will eventually buy a vehicle or a house, regardless of their choice of degree. It also gives all students a greater knowledge and understanding of how making important purchases work. It's very helpful too, because these students can also pass down the knowledge that they learned from this course to their children so that they're in a better situation. So this course also relates quite a bit to the Central Penn College mission statement. And one of those ways is that it will impact each student from all academic backgrounds. It'll also make a correlation between personal and professional success and how they each influence the other. And teaching students how to make important financial decisions will prevent them from having a lack of respect from their bosses and their co-workers. In conclusion, I just want to go over kind of some of the stuff we talked about today. High dollar purchases can have a really big impact on your life. It can be either good or bad, but you definitely don't want the bad side of that. There are also many benefits to adding the Managing Life-Changing Purchases course to the course catalog at Central Penn. The new course is absolutely valuable to the entire student body here at Central Penn. And then also the course material fits really well with the Central Penn College mission statement. So what needs to happen from here? Well, first I'd like to tell you all that if you have any questions, that you could please reach out to me and I'll try to answer them as best I can for you. And secondly, I would strongly urge you all to consider adopting this course, the Managing Life-Changing Purchases course. The course is going to be extremely valuable to the students here at Central Penn, and it could have it's a really big opportunity to set these students up for success later in life. I'd like to end with a quote from Natasha Munson, an author, She said, money, like emotions, is something you must control to keep your life on the right track.